Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're bringing you another comprehensive, expert-level review that cuts through all the fluff. Today, we're talking about a product that isn't typically in the spotlight on beauty channels, but is essential for any professional working in the beauty industry, the Giantex Portable Massage Table. This isn't just any massage table. It's designed with flexibility and comfort in mind, with a sturdy aluminum frame, adjustable height, and a portable folding design. But how does it actually perform in a professional setting? Let's dive in. Product overview. The Giantex Portable Massage Table comes with a host of features that cater to the needs of professionals, including an adjustable height range from 23 inches to 31 inches and an 8-position setting for perfect customization. The headrest itself is adjustable too, making it easier to accommodate different clients and personal preferences. What stands out immediately is the folding and portable design. We know how important portability is in a busy salon, and this table folds neatly into a carrying case, which makes transportation a breeze. Plus, it comes with a lightweight Oxford fabric bag that helps keep everything organized while ensuring it's easy to move. The construction is robust, thanks to the premium aluminum alloy frame and steel cables, which provide support for up to 550 pounds. That's more than enough for the majority of clients and assures you of its stability. The non-slip foot pads are a thoughtful addition to prevent the table from sliding and to keep your floors scratch-free. Comfort-wise, the table boasts a high-density sponge and smooth PVC leather. The material is breathable, making it perfect for extended sessions, and it's easy to clean, ideal for maintaining a sanitary workspace. Real-world testing and usage experience. Setting up the Giantex Portable Massage Table couldn't be easier. There are no tools required, just a quick unfolding and assembling of the headrest, armrest, and hand pallet. Within minutes, you're ready to go. For those on the move or needing quick setup times, this is a huge plus. When I tested it out, I found the height adjustment incredibly smooth, allowing for seamless transitions between different users. The headrest offered excellent support for different body types, especially for clients needing a comfortable face rest during facials or massages. The sponge padding felt firm yet comfortable, supportive enough for professional use while still offering a bit of cushioning. During testing, I appreciated the added comfort of the armrests and handle pallet, which really provided that extra touch of relaxation. Whether used for facials, tattoos, or general body massage, this table accommodates a variety of treatments with ease. Pros and cons. Let's talk about the strengths first. Height adjustability. The 8-position adjustment range is perfect for therapists of different heights. I didn't have any issues finding a comfortable working height. Portability. The fact that this folds and comes with a carrying bag makes it ideal for mobile therapists or anyone working with limited space. Durability. The aluminum frame and steel cables make this table a sturdy choice for professionals, and the 550-pound capacity ensures that it can handle larger clients with ease. Comfort. The high-density sponge offers excellent comfort without compromising durability, and the smooth PVC leather makes it easy to clean. However, there are a couple of points worth noting. Weight. While the table is lighter than many stationary ones, it's still a bit heavy to carry for some. The carrying bag helps, but lifting it for extended periods might be a challenge for some users. Aesthetic. It's quite a neutral look, black PVC, and a simple design. So if you're looking for something a bit more stylish or luxurious, it might not be the right fit. Value for money. In terms of value, the Giantex Portable Massage Table is reasonably priced, considering its high-quality materials and professional-level features. When compared to other massage tables on the market, it stands out for its portability and sturdiness, especially with the 550-pound weight capacity. Considering its features, it's priced fairly, making it a solid investment for anyone in the beauty or wellness industry. Comparisons. In comparison to other massage tables, especially those priced in the same range, this one offers a better balance of durability and comfort. Some budget options might skimp on build quality, but the Giantex table doesn't feel like it's cutting any corners. The adjustability and comfort make it a standout in the market for its price point. Build quality and longevity. The Giantex Portable Massage Table is built to last. The aluminum alloy frame is both lightweight and durable, ensuring long-term use in any setting. The PVC leather is easy to clean and maintain, and the overall design feels robust. Given its construction, this table should last through many sessions without showing signs of wear and tear. Final verdict: the Giantex Portable Massage Table is an excellent choice for professional therapists looking for a balance of comfort, durability, and portability. It delivers on all fronts with its adjustable height, sturdy frame, and comfortable padding. Whether you're a massage therapist, facial expert, or tattoo artist, this table is versatile enough to meet a variety of needs. If you're looking for a high-quality, foldable massage table that won't break the bank, this one might be a perfect fit. It's a solid investment for anyone who needs both portability and comfort in a professional setting. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. End of video engagement. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing the Giantex Portable Massage Table, the link can be found in the description box below. If you've used this table, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.